In this video, I will show you how to use AirDrop on your iPhone running iOS 26 to send files quickly and wirelessly. You can share photos, videos and documents between iPhones in just few seconds. Let's get started. Before sending anything, make sure AirDrop is enabled on both devices. On the sending and receiving iPhone, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right. Now press and hold the network panel. Tap AirDrop and select everyone for 10 minutes. Now you need to do the same steps on the receiving iPhone as well. Open Control Center, press and hold network panel, tap AirDrop, select everyone for 10 minutes. Now AirDrop is enabled on both the iPhones. Now on the sending iPhone, open the file that you wish to send over AirDrop. Let's say we want to send this image. Now tap the share icon at the bottom. From the share menu, tap AirDrop. Just wait for nearby devices to appear. Now tap on the iPhone that you want to send the file to. When airdropping to someone not in your contacts, a 6-digit code appears on the recipient screen, which they must share with the sender to authorize the transfer. Let's enter 6-digit code on sending iPhone to authorize the transfer. On receiving iPhone, a pop-up will appear. Tap Accept and the file will be saved automatically. Note that you need to keep Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on for AirDrop to work smoothly. And that is how you can share files using AirDrop on iPhone with iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.